Hello and welcome back. I have just gotten back from my vacation that my husband and I went to in Calgary, and I'm just going to whip up a really quick batch of lip balms. And I've been tweaking this recipe and experimenting with tallow, as you know, and this is one of the recipes that I formulated that I love so much, and I'm really excited to share with you guys today. This recipe is pretty basic, but like with anything, tweak it however way you like it. I always suggest starting with the formula as it's written, and then based on the results, then start moving things around, trying different ratios of solid ingredients versus liquid ingredients until you get your desired consistency. We're going to start with some coconut oil, some candelilla wax, beautiful beef tallow, and then some cocoa butter. Now we're going to add our liquid ingredients, some hemp seed oil, and then some blueberry oil. And that is our base. So what we're going to do is melt this down, and then once everything is melted, we are going to add our heat-sensitive ingredients like our flavoring and some vitamin E, and then that's it. So our lip balm base is pretty melted, and we are ready to add our flavorings. I'm going to be adding in a peppermint vanilla type of flavoring using peppermint essential oil and vanilla natural flavor oil. And I have a link to where you can get the natural flavor oils in the description box below. There is also some vitamin E oil in here. And all I do is I add this to my lip balm base. And then I stir for about 2 minutes to make sure everything is incorporated. So here's the next flavor. I'm going to be doing a watermelon flavor. So here are my poured lip balms. And what I'm going to do now is put them in the freezer so that they can rapidly cool, or fridge. I think I put them in the fridge usually, yeah. And then tomorrow, I'm going to pull them out and finish them off. And it's literally that easy. Hey guys, welcome back. It's a couple of days later actually, because it has been so crazy right now trying to keep up with orders, with all of the products that I've been wanting to get up on the website. It's just been a lot of work, and I know that this video is late going up because the day that I had initially wanted to post this video has gone by now. But I'm gonna finish off the video so that I can finally get it up. I actually was so busy, I didn't even realize that I didn't film me finishing up the lip balms and labeling them. I have this flavor and this new label design. It's vanilla mint, and I have watermelon right here, and it's a very minimalistic design like all of my labels have been and will be for the foreseeable future until I have more time to play around with it or hire someone to be my graphic designer. But these are ready to go. I have these lip balms ready for my website. I'm gonna get them up there by March 1st, I think, and hopefully I'll have more than 2 flavors. And I also did these. I made some pillar candles using these pillar candle molds from Make Tallow. They smell so good. I actually used Maurice Canada's Northern Woods for these pillar candles because this smells amazing. It has all of my favorite essential oil notes. It's not an essential oil blend, it's a fragrance oil blend, but it has lavender, pine, I think. Let me get the bottle. Here we go. It has pine, woods, lavender, patchouli, and amber, which is a herbal, earthy blend that smells clean and it smells fresh. It smells like, I don't even know, it just, oh, I want all my things to smell this way. It's really soothing. Love it. I want to make a soap with it, so we'll see if I'm able to in the near future. But I'm going to unmold these, and I'm also going to try to take social media footage as I unmold them for you guys. And maybe I can show you a little behind the scenes. This is my setup right now. I'm getting a lot of light from this guy, which shines a light on the products. And this arm has been amazing. This supports my phone, and I'm able to get those really satisfying overhead shots for my social media. And I'm also able to get any angle I want, really. This is really flexible. I'm not going to move it right now. I'm going to attempt a topped-down view of me unmolding these as I unmold them for you guys. I also really like this angle. Seems to give a really good and clear shot. And then I just go ahead with unmolding them. So let's do this one first. Look at that. Isn't this so cute? It smells amazing too. So here's the next one. Looking so beautiful and elegant. This one is a little more yellow than the other ones because I used it a while back, and I think that's just what happens with molds over time. And then here's the last one. And these come out so easily. I have a link to the molds down below. These actually look like little whipped cream puffs. So I also have these molds as well. So with the extra wax, I actually made too much wax, or I melted too much wax. I decided to use these molds, also from Make. And the pillar wax that I use makes it super easy to unmold these guys. So don't worry about damaging them or damaging your candles. Look how cute that is. Just a bubble candle. These were so viral at some point. I don't know if these still are. Okay, and last but not least, this guy, also a little yellowed because I used him already. So there you go. I have these beautiful candles now that I can use to decorate my home with. And I have my lip balms over here. And I think I'm going to be releasing the formula for these tallow lip balms because I do know that people are just loving the tallow content. And it's good to know how to use this really, really great ingredient. And I think with its price point and the fact that it's readily available in the United States, this is a great ingredient for so many reasons. I know that I have been loving it, and I hope you guys have too. So like I mentioned, if you want to make these yourself, you can. There is a link to that down below on my Patreon, and you don't have to subscribe to the Patreon. You can just buy the post, which will detail why I chose the ingredients and my process, as well as a printable PDF will be attached to that post that you can use when you make your own lip balms. Or if you want to purchase my lip balms and try them for yourself without having to make them, you can also do that. These will be available as of March 1st. I'm really excited to have lip balms back on the website, and hopefully by March 1st, I will have much more than just lip balms and soap. I'm hoping to have more shampoo scents, more sugar scrub scents, lotions, and tallow balms have been restocked, so you can go check those out and order. It's been kind of hard juggling the demands of my business with YouTube. So I've been having to pick and choose where to put my time. And don't worry, that doesn't mean I'm going to be stopping my uploads. These will always continue because I love doing YouTube, and I'm really sorry if you can hear the laundry over there. It's going right now. The next video, hopefully I will have up sooner and it won't be as chaotic. But until that next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and keep making beautiful things like pillar candles, candles in jars, and tallow lip balms. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.